Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Facebook profile in 2026. So guys, if you have locked your Facebook profile and you want to unlock it, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open your Facebook and then tap on your profile photo and then tap on three dots button from here and then go to unlock profile from here, and from here you have to simply tap on unlock and then tap on unlock your profile from here, and after this your profile will be unlocked. So guys, you can see this, you unlocked your profile. So guys, in this way you can also unlock your Facebook profile in 2026. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.